Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your address with the United States Postal Service USPS online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we can go ahead and choose to change your address in a few simple steps online or visit your local post office location. You must submit your change of address request in person at a postal office location. If you're moving outside the United States, you're submitting a change of request for someone else, you're unable to verify your identity online. Now, if you want to go ahead and do this online, we need to go to the official UPS change of address website. Then from here, we need to choose an option from either an individual, family, where everyone has the same last name, or business move and complete this form. Verify your identity. So opt in online to receive a verification code or link your mobile phone. Pay the $1.25 identity verification fee. The billing address on your credit card must match either your old or new address. Now, if your online identity verification succeeds, USPS will email you a confirmation code. So with this code, we can use this if you need to modify or cancel your request. Then from here, you'll get a move validation letter to the address you're moving from, so your old address. About 5 business days before you change of address start date, you'll get a confirmation notification letter with your confirmation code to your new address. You also get a welcome kit with coupons from USPS partners. Mail will be routed to your new address piece by piece. Now, if you can't verify your identity online, USPS will send you an email with instructions and a barcode. So bring them along with an acceptable photo ID to a local post office branch. Now, from here, if you're going to do it at the post office, you'll need your photo ID and any other required document and request a free mover's guide packet. Fill out the PS form 3575 found inside the packet and give it to the retail associate. They will use your photo ID to verify your identity and process your change of address request.